Hi, welcome again to Mathematics Heuristics at Mavis. Today we're going to talk about units and parts type 2. This type of question, we are always given the proportion of 2 items that leads us to 4 variables, and there will be 2 values given in the question. For this kind of question, we form 2 equations, and from there we can find the variables.
Let's take a look at the units and parts type 2. Now here we have 2 variables, girls and boys. We were told that 40%, which is 2/5 of the girls, have left the hall. Therefore, we have 3/5 of the girls left. We were also told that 3/8 of the boys have left the hall. That means 5 out of 8 of the boys remain in the hall. Then we are given 2 informations. We were told that there were 41 students in the hall at first. That means we'll have the total, 5 units of girls, and 8 parts of boys. That sums up to 41. Next, we are given that there are 25 students remaining in the hall. So that's 3 units of girls and 5 parts of boys. Just like units and parts type 1, our aim is to make the parts the same. So we try to make these 8 parts and these 5 parts to be the same, which is 40 parts. So what do we have to do to the total? We have to multiply by 5, which will then make the 5 units become 25 units and the 41 to become 205. For the remaining, to get 40 parts, we will then have to multiply by 8, which will make the 3 units become 24 units and the 25 to become 200. Now, since the parts are already the same, but the values are not the same, so we then have to figure out what caused the change between the 2 values here. It will then be the 25 units and the 24 units, which is 1 extra unit. Since this extra unit, we can find the number of girls that remain. But the question is asking for how many boys remaining. So from the 25 students that remain, and we found that girls have 15 remain, therefore the boys that remain is 10.